A Scandinavian Dream. Embracing Nursing in Sweden. Sweden. The name itself evokes images of pristine landscapes, vibrant cities, and a society that prioritizes well-being. For nurses around the world, Sweden presents an incredible opportunity to advance their careers while experiencing an exceptional quality of life. Imagine yourself strolling through charming cobblestone streets, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, all while making a real difference in people's lives. This Scandinavian nation has a world-renowned healthcare system that values skilled and compassionate nurses. With its strong emphasis on work-life balance, competitive salaries, and ample opportunities for professional development, Sweden offers a truly rewarding environment for nurses to thrive. Whether you're just starting your nursing journey or seeking new horizons, Sweden welcomes you with open arms. Let's explore how you can turn this dream of working in Sweden into a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my GK Health Passport channel for more international career videos. Are you eligible? Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the exciting process of moving to Sweden, let's clarify the basic requirements for nurses. First and foremost, you'll need a valid nursing license from your home country. This ensures you have the foundational education and training to practice safely and effectively. Good news! Sweden has made the process even more accessible by removing the IELTS requirement for nurses. This means you can focus on other important aspects of your application, such as credential recognition and learning basic Swedish. Keep in mind that while English is widely spoken in Sweden, having some basic Swedish language skills will greatly enhance your daily life and interactions with patients.
Bridging the gap. Getting your credentials recognized. One of the crucial steps in your journey to becoming a nurse in Sweden is obtaining recognition for your nursing credentials. This process is handled by the National Board of Health and Welfare, known as Socialstyrelsen in Swedish. Socialstyrelsen carefully evaluates your nursing qualifications to ensure they meet Swedish standards. You'll need to submit your application along with supporting documents, such as your nursing diploma, transcripts, and proof of work experience. The evaluation process takes time, so it's best to start early. Once your credentials are recognized, you'll be one step closer to practicing as a registered nurse in Sweden.
Section 4. Sprinkling in Swedish. Language for life and work. While English will certainly come in handy, learning some basic Swedish will significantly enrich your experience in Sweden. It will allow you to connect with patients on a deeper level, navigate daily life with ease, and fully immerse yourself in the local culture. Fortunately, there are numerous resources available to help you get started, from online courses to language exchange programs. Start by learning common phrases, greetings, and medical terminology related to your field. Even a basic understanding of Swedish will go a long way in making you feel more at home and confident in your new surroundings. Remember, language learning is a journey, so embrace the process and enjoy the rewards it brings.
Section 5. Landing the job agencies and applications. Now comes the exciting part, finding a nursing job in Sweden. There are several reputable recruitment agencies that specialize in healthcare placements, connecting skilled nurses with hospitals and clinics across the country. Medicarrera, Global Nurse Force, and Evro Personnel are just a few examples of agencies that have a strong track record of helping international nurses find rewarding positions in Sweden. These agencies provide valuable support throughout the job search process, from resume and cover letter writing to interview preparation and relocation assistance. They have established relationships with healthcare employers and can help you navigate the Swedish job market effectively.
Section 6. Work permit secured, your ticket to Sweden. Congratulations! You've received a job offer from a Swedish healthcare institution. Now it's time to secure your work permit, which is your official permission to live and work in Sweden. Your employer will typically guide you through this process, providing the necessary documentation and support. The work permit application requires your employment contract, proof of accommodation, and other relevant documents. Once your application is approved, you'll be issued a residence permit card granting you entry into Sweden. This card will also serve as your identification document while living and working in the country. Section 7. Living the Swedish Dream, Benefits and Beyond. Moving to a new country is a significant life decision, but the rewards of working as a nurse in Sweden are truly unparalleled. Sweden is renowned for its exceptional work-life balance, with generous vacation time, parental leave policies, and a strong emphasis on employee well-being. You'll have ample time to explore your new surroundings, pursue your passions, and recharge your batteries. Swedish healthcare institutions prioritize professional development, providing nurses with opportunities for continuing education, specialization, and career advancement. The supportive and collaborative work environment fosters a culture of learning and growth, allowing you to reach your full potential as a healthcare professional. As you embark on this incredible journey, remember that you're not alone. Reach out to the recommended agencies, connect with other nurses who have made the move, and embrace the adventure that awaits you. Sweden welcomes you with open arms, ready to support you every step of the way.